life. Life is a gift by God, by universe, by nature to you. The only purpose of this life is to survive and live happily. Maybe you're a doctor, maybe you're an engineer, maybe you're an entrepreneur, maybe you're an actor, maybe you're a dancer, maybe you're a prime minister. The only purpose of this life is to survive, help people, and live happily. You see, a lion sleeps for 20 hours a day, but he never thinks that I will stop. Because if a lion stops, he'll die with hunger. If a lion stops hunting for food, he will be dead. A lion roams alone, is the only one king. It's okay if you don't have any kind of friends. It's okay you're lonely into your life, because you are going to be the only king in this world. You see, you have no time to think on your destiny, to think about what God gave you and what He didn't. People around you, maybe they are not working, maybe they want to chill, maybe they want to enjoy, maybe they want to go for a party, they want to play a game, they want to just waste their time. If you go out in a party, if you want to waste your time, if you want to play games, you're going to end up your life. And throughout your whole life, you're just going to cry on your destiny like the 90% of people do. So don't waste your time. The only thing will make your life better is the time. See, if you start working in your teenage, you're going to end up your life by being a successful millionaire or a billionaire. But if you start working around 30s, you're going to end up struggling to your 60s, to your 40s, and then rest of the life you're just going to ask God for your death. So work. Stop listening to the people around you. Stop focusing on the negative things around you. Just focus on your heart. Listen to your heart. What your heart says. It says, get up and work. You see, this life is a journey with ups and downs. This life is full of failures and struggles. But the person who stands up and hustles will only achieve what he wants. So stop wasting your time. Get your butt off and start working. Your motivation, your inspiration, your vision, your mission, your purpose of your life, your pride, your hustle is going to come with you. Is going to be with you when you'll achieve your dreams. And you will be the king of your life. Look, if you want to be successful into your life, if you want to be the king of your life, maybe you're hungry, maybe you're sacrificing your life a lot, maybe people are yelling at you, maybe people are judging, but you don't need to stop, because it's your life. Nobody is responsible for your life. You are the only one person who is responsible for your life. And if you stop taking that responsibility, you're going to end up your life. So be responsible of your life. Start working more. Run for an extra mile. Go for an extra set. Go for extra hour. Work more. Be more productive. The only secret to achieve what you want into your life is to become more productive. See, most of the people out there, they sit crying on their life, they cry on the God, they cry on their destiny, they cry, they yell at God why God has not given them a beautiful life. See, God has given you hands, He has given you legs, He has given you this beautiful body to work. And if you're not using it, and if you're crying on your destiny, you're a coward. So if you don't want to be a coward, get up and never stop until you achieve what you want. Just work, just believe and love yourself and keep achieving.